Welcome back. We have massive news for Bored Ape Yacht Club and Mutant Ape Yacht Club holders as APECOIN is finally live. APECOIN is also backed by top executives from FTX, Animoca Brands, and Read It. Also, you guys, there's some big news regarding Metaverse and Web3 partnerships coming to fruition. And if you are an XRP community member, there is money being flowed into development on XRP. I cannot wait to talk about it with you guys. Lastly, we had the United States of America raise interest rates the first time since 2018, and there is another country who is following suit, but they have raised the interest rates a lot more than the United States, 0.25%. Yikes. Let's go ahead and break it all down for you. It has been rumored that APECOIN was going to happen for the holders and for the Bored Ape Yacht Club community, but it finally did. And they've got some heavy hitters on board to help with the APECOIN DAO. If you guys have watched my show, you know that I picked up a couple mutant apes, so I was able to hold and able to claim that airdrop, and I'm very excited because it's super easy to do. All you have to do is go to APECOIN, go ahead and click claim, connect your MetaMask, and you can go ahead and claim according to what you are holding. Also, the coin is listed on Gate, FTX, and many other different exchanges. So if you are holding, consider taking profit. I will be taking profit soon. I don't know exactly when, but I do have it on my list to do so, and I will be watching the chart all day. Yesterday, it was announced by the United States Fed that they're raising interest rates to 0.25%. This was the first time rates were raised since 2018, which, oh my gosh, I understand why they're doing it, but at the same time, things are going to get really hectic here in the United States. And the Bank of England followed suit and they raised their interest rates back to pre-panorama levels of 0.75%. So this means your cost of living is going to continue to rise while your purchasing power is going to go down. We will have some sort of recession, some sort of depression incoming, so please make sure you guys are prepared. As far as Bitcoin goes over here, we remain stagnant between $42,000 and $37,000. Market cipher looks great on the daily. Taking a look at the 12-hour chart. 12-hour chart is kind of flat over here, but we still are above the Bollinger Band Simple Moving Average 20 at about $39,000. We're going to get some more consolidation before we get a breakout or a breakdown. But me personally, I'm not making really big moves until I get confirmation here, just because there's been so much volatility. Next, Ripple. Ripple is going to give out 1 billion XRP in developer grants. This is absolutely amazing. And it states here, the first two waves of XRPL grant have offered 6 million in funding to 50 open source projects built on XRP Ledger. This is absolutely great because it's telling me that the ecosystem is going to continue to build despite of the drama with the SEC and Ripple in the United States. But we talked about on the show earlier this week that globally, Ripple XRP is very popular in other countries, especially in Asia. So as far as what's happening with Ripple in the United States and the SEC, I'm not really worried about it. The SEC is going to have to get their stuff together. But of course, it could take some time. Either way, this is bullish. Great news. This next story is also bullish. Microsoft invests in the Web3 company ConsenSys. So it has come to light recently that Ethereum is super centralized. And the fact that we have folks from JP Morgan diving into it and now Microsoft, it's going to get a little bit hectic. Ethereum is still great for building, but at the same time, we're going to want to start looking at more decentralized options. I don't even know if that's a possibility. Maddox went down, Solana's went down. Things are going to get hectic. But either way, this is positive for adoption. Web3 is coming, and I do have a bag of Ethereum that I'm going to be holding long term because I do think it will perform immensely well, especially with the switch over from POW to proof of stake. It should unclog the network, lower transaction fees, and make trading NFTs, participating in the metaverse, a little bit more affordable. Fingers crossed. This next story is absolutely amazing, and I'm super excited for Tether. I know that's crazy, right? Well, Tether just updated their website with Tether Transparency. So all Tether tokens are supposed to be pegged 1-to-1 with a matching fiat currency and are backed 100% by Tether's reserves. The reserves are made up of different things, so it's not always backed 1-to-1 by the US dollar. So that is a little bit deceiving. But right here, it was just updated on March 16th, which was yesterday. So it lets you know all of the different stats here. It tells you the total liabilities, the total assets, the shareholder capital cushion, all of that stuff. So if you're somebody who wants to know more about this or is not necessarily trusting Tether, I highly recommend you take a look at this page. And I'm very happy that they released it. Really, really great for transparency. And hopefully the SEC and the NYAG leave Tether alone, since they're being honest and have completely revamped their brand and being more transparent. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. I will catch you later. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye-bye.